Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to copy list elements in Python. So right now I have these variables. I have these elements in the variable areas. So I want to copy these elements in a new variable. So how I can do it? I can just create a new variable which is areas underscore new, and here I'm going to use a function list, and then I am going to uh, use the variable name of which I want to copy the list element. So the list element are here and the variable name is area, so I'm going to use this one. Now I'm going to print the new variable areas underscore new. Okay, so just run this code. So as you can see, all these elements in the areas list is now also copy to this new list areas new. So in this way you can copy list elements in Python. Hope you like this little basic tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question related to Python you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.